Let's play an extreme game of hide and go seek. I hide and you count. Go. Yoo-hoo! Uh-oh. Oh, what the? What the? I'm running away. Time to do my power jump. That's not working either. Haha, I got you now, buddy. Ha ha ha. Cause we gonna play it like that? Bet. Say less. That's how we gonna play it, right? So we doing that? Bet. Say less. Get him. What you gonna do about it now? You stuck up there. And I wouldn't recommend getting down because there's a long way down from up there. So I would recommend you just staying up there until someone helps you get off. Cause I'm not helping you get off. I'm finna go find my hiding spot. Have fun being stuck up there.